Hey guys, a warm welcome once again, and all the greetings, season's greeting, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. As you all know, we are here for the mega international unconference game of testing. This unconference is a collective effort from women in Agile and Tech and Agile Virgin. Agile Virgin is India's uh, countrywide community of practices. We have various communities. We have DevOps, we have Lean, we have Agile. And this is our very first time, when we are doing something with the testing community. How? Because Agile Virgin is a group of people uh, who are multi-talented and who are expert in various domains. And we all collectively create something which is purely an aspirational work, which is beyond our regular day-to-day job. And so that's what we are doing here. Sonia and Jyoti pioneered, and they said, we haven't created anything magnificent in the space of testing and QA. Why don't we get started? Thanks a lot, Sonia and Jyoti, for asking women in Agile and Tech and Agile Virgin to do this. So yeah, what do we have? We have game of testing, and let me talk about game of testing. Sonia, please allow me to share my screen. And so game of testing is an unconference where we wanted to do something for testers and QA. And we just did not want to create a platform where only experts come forward and talk. We also wanted to open it for everyone who wanted to come forward, share not just any technical stuff, but their challenges, but their aspiration, just like what we do with women in Agile and Tech or Agile Virgin. Uh, so what did we do, when we thought about creating something? We created an unconference, and that's why there is always a question, what is unconference? What do you mean by unconference? So before we talk about unconferencing, let me just tell you what we are doing today is a precursor to our mega unconference, which is on 17th and 18th of September in Bangalore. And we'll start in the morning and whole day we'll spend together. How are we, going to use this day, and what are we going to use this day for? Of course, testing and quality excellence. There will be lectures, there will be workshops, there will be open space. Okay, fine. So what are, these lectures all about? I'll share about those expert, exceptional, awesome topics in a bit. Before that, I want to tell you how this is an unconference, how it is different from a conventional conference. And so when we say unconference, unconference is an event which is co-created with participants. And how do you co-create? Either you call up everyone to, come and create something with you. Now, no matter how much we do and we reach out to everyone, there is no one who takes lead when it is about a group. So what do? Well, you take the lead, you start crafting something, and then you start collaborating with people that this is what we are doing. Do you have some inputs? And this is how it creates. So half of it is called fixed program, and which is focused on, these amazing topics in the testing industry. You call it, so testing tools, testing automation, testing strategy, API testing, you talk about accessibility testing, mutation testing, you talk about management in testing, you talk about skill upgrade in testing, anything, yeah, RPA, customer experience, low code, anything, right? So we tried and covered, actually, you name it, and we have tried and covered it. And so let's go back. How do we create an unconference? So we started with what we are aware of, we know, and right. And then we started asking, what more do you want? So what do we have further in Unconference? We have career and technology coaching and consulting for you. This will be one-on-one as well as group conversations. We have created stage for you so that you can come forward and propose a topic you want to talk about, and you talk about that. If you need any help in, crafting that topic well, we will group you up with the people who know it, and together you can create. Yeah. And that will all happen then and there during those 2 days of unconferences. There will also be music, there will also be dancing, there will also be meditation, and there will be, stand-up comedy as well from your, very dear, Ramit Manohar call. And he said, there are so many expert talks. I would rather want to help you with unwinding. And how will I do that? I will do that with the help of comedy, joke, fun. So yeah, all of that is there. Also, those 2 days will include your meals during the day, so you don't have to worry about that. Just come, be free, and do anything and everything you want. I very much encourage love to feel. I don't want you to be stuck somewhere you don't enjoy. There are 3 tracks. You can just go from one session to another. In case you're not enjoying that, and you are a very much fun oriented person, or a person who go by his own mind, and you just want to talk or network, you can definitely come out, and you can make your own group and start discussing what is important for you. And so yeah, don't feel stuck to a place or a lecture or a workshop. Okay, fine. So that was what was game of testing. If we look at program for today, we have 4 amazing sessions. We start with a conversation with Thagat Verma about what is the impact of AI and ML on the future of testing as a career and testing as a technical space. Then we'll have conversation with Tara, where she'll be sharing how testing can be established to enable agility. Then we have Claudia, who will be talking about testing as a team culture. And last but not the least, we have Ashutosh with us, an Agile expert, to talk about testing strategy. That is for day one. Day two, you will have a workshop. So keep your laptops ready for day two. Exploratory testing for scaling testing. Then we have Teapot. I'm sure you all must be knowing him. He's a huge community developer. He will be talking about fundamentals of testing, why, how, where, and what do you know, what you should know about testing. Then we have a very international speaker, Soumya. She'll be talking about low-code testing. So those are our 2 days precursor. Okay, fine. Then what happens? These are further amazing sessions for our rest of the 2 days at the Unconference venue. The program is there on the website. And so I very much encourage you to go and check it on website. And if at all you plan to join us, then I have an amazing contest here for you, where what you have to do is you have to just capture some of the amazing moments, probably a screenshot, probably a thought which has been shared by a speaker, or a question that came across and you felt, wow, this is an eye-opening question and I never thought about. You just go and share it on LinkedIn, tag game of testing, because that's how we will verify whether you have done or not. And then we'll share a Google form through email to all your participants, and you just put the link of your post. It reaches to us, and we give you 50% discount code for the Unconference. I hear a concern that the ticket price seems a lot, but the hotel and everything that we have booked for you, and all the experiences that we are creating for you, not just from the workshops and lectures, but to unwinding, but for the intentional networking, one-on-one consulting, all of that required us to do that. Upfront right now, we have invested 10 lakh on this entire experience for you all. We want to treat testing community. We want to give them that stage. We want to give them mic for their voices, their opinion, and that's why there's a cost. Or you can actually help us connect with your organizations who are willing to help us. These were beautiful faces of your speakers whom you're going to meet. Also, I want to thank our partners who have been helping us spread the word, and also want to clap for 4 amazing people. I mean, actually, women in Agile in Tech is we. So, but yeah, big hands to us as well. But I also want to appreciate generous individual contributions from Provar, Cometa Rocks, and Kiwi QA. Kristen, who offered 7 free passes, which means a 50% discount on 14 passes. Then Cometa Rocks, they again offered 50% discount on 14 passes, and Kiwi QA, they also offered to buy. I mean, offer 50% discount on 14 passes. So you see, you have a lot of passes which have 50% discount. In addition to them, we are also offering you 50% discount to the passes. So what you have to do is, this is for a limited period. So what you have to do is, after this event, we'll send out an email to you all, which has Google form. Just capture your favorite moment, a memory, a question, a thought-provoking question, and post it out on LinkedIn. So that is all you have to do. And before we all go, I want to acknowledge, I want to clap out for our amazing team who had been working. You see Gen Z twice. That's my bad. I wanted to put Rakhi over there. Um, so yeah, and that's all. There are a bunch of discounts. Connect with your organizations if they would want to brand themselves with the sponsorship, and they will also get tickets. Otherwise, you all group together, buy tickets. There are a bunch of discounts. If nothing, take 50% discount before it lasts. So that was all about the event. And if you have questions, put them on chat and we'll take them up when we have break. Right now, we have our talk with TV. And but before that, let's take 1 minute breathing break. So Sonia, you can actually stop this recording.